In this video, you will learn how to get a refund on RIA money transfer. First, determine eligibility. Refunds are only possible if the transfer has not been completed. If the recipient has already had the funds, a refund is not possible. Cancel the transfer. If a transfer has not been paid out yet, you can cancel it through the RIA app or website. Simply, navigate to the transaction history, select the transfer and choose the option to cancel. If you make the transfer in person, contact RIA customer care directly to initiate the cancel. Refund processing. Once the transfer is cancelled, RIA will process your refund. The time taken to receive your refund deposit depends on your payment method. Usually, for bank transfer, it takes 4 business days. For credit and debit card, it usually takes 3 business days. And for cash, it takes usually 3 to 5 business days. Contact customer care if needed. If you encounter any issues or delays, reach out to RIA customer care for assistance. They can provide updates on refund status and help resolve any of your problems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.